In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop snapping in Canva. If you've ever found yourself struggling with elements that keep snapping to the grid or other objects when you're trying to move them around, you're not alone. Thankfully, I'm here to guide you through the process of taking control over your Canva workspace so you can move elements freely without the hassle of unwanted snapping. First, let's head over to canva.com, and if you haven't already, sign in using your credentials. You'll see the login button located in the upper right corner. Canva gives you a few convenient options to log in, so whether you're using Google, Facebook, or your email, just select the one that suits you best. Once you're logged in, it's time to choose the project you want to work with. Simply navigate through your existing designs and select the one that needs some tweaking. Now let's dive into how you can move elements without them snapping annoyingly. One handy trick is holding down the Control key if you're on Windows or the CMD key on a Mac. When you select an element and drag it while holding down these keys, you'll notice everything moves smoothly, bypassing the snap to grid feature. This little shortcut can be a game changer for precise adjustments and fine-tuning your layout. Sometimes frames can also create snapping issues. If you want to prevent elements from snapping into a frame, consider locking the frame. To do this, click the frame and then click the lock icon twice until it indicates it's locked. This simple action will keep the frame in place and stop any elements from inadvertently snapping to it. If you're looking for more control over the entire snapping behavior, head over to the File menu. Under View Settings, you should find options like Snap to Grid. Disable these options if unnecessary snapping is hindering your design process. This way, elements will no longer automatically align themselves to the invisible grid lines, allowing for more fluidity in your design adjustments. For those who want to fine-tune even further, adjusting the grid spacing can make a significant difference. By altering the distances between potential snap points, you can achieve a more lenient or tight snapping behavior based on your preference. Lastly, guides could also be influencing how elements snap around the canvas. To manage these guides, revisit the view settings under the File menu. Here, you can choose to show rulers and guides. By doing this, you can lock or unlock guides, giving you direct control over their impact on your design movement. And that's it. These strategies should empower you to create designs in Canva without feeling restricted by uncooperative snapping behaviors. Remember, mastering these tools can greatly enhance your design experience and make the process both more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.